Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about Gerard Cosmetics. So I know I've been mentioning Gerard Cosmetics a lot for the past few months, but that is because I have fallen in love with this company. They make the Slay All Day setting spray, and these setting sprays are the best setting sprays ever. You can apply them before you do your makeup, after you do your makeup. They help with oil control, and they really help to set your makeup so that you can slay all day, girl. So I have two of them here. One is the coconut and one is the rose. I'm not actually quite sure if there's much difference in the formula, but I know that they have a bunch of different colors and different scents. And I just dropped one. So yeah, I have the coconut and the rose, and they just smell so good and they work so good, and I just love to spray them all over my face. They are so refreshing. They set my makeup so well. And they also really help with like caking areas. So if you're having any caking in like particular areas, you can go in with this spray and a damp beauty blender and just kind of fix whatever little funky areas you may have. Another product I love from Gerard Cosmetics is the Brow Bar to Go. So I actually have a really hard time finding brow products. I don't have black eyebrows, obviously. I don't have brown. My eyebrows are actually the color of my natural hair, which is like this dirty dishwater blonde, whatever you call it. I don't know. They're super light and it's just hard for me to find a color. This one in particular is for blonde to brunette, and it comes with two different shades here. I actually use the darkest one and it works perfectly. I also use this as an eyeshadow and sometimes a contour. And then the last one here is a wax so that your eyebrows will stay in place. It comes with this little brush and a little mirror here at the top of the compact, and I just really love this brow product. It matches good, it works well, and it cuts down doing my eyebrows in half the time. So that's another product I love from Gerard Cosmetics. Two quick mentions here. I've already talked about this a few times already. This is the Light Up Lip Gloss. It is hot pink, it lights up, so you have a little light just in case you need a light. And it has a mirror on it, and this color is just amazing. It's not sticky, it's pigmented, and I think it's just a beautiful color. So another product I have here is a lipstick. This is a bullet lipstick because it looks like a bullet. It's got this gold packaging, and this is in the color All Dolled Up, and it is a gorgeous hot pink. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a few of my favorite products of theirs, but now I'm gonna talk to you about something different. So I just got this package a few days ago. If you've never ordered from Gerard Cosmetics, I highly suggest you do, not only because their products are amazing, but their packaging with their boxes is so cute. Every time I get one of these, I just look at every detail in this box. It's just adorable. And this little quote over here is so funny. It says, "He asked me to choose between him and my lipstick." I miss them sometimes. But they always just package everything really nicely, and I love that they just put so much time and effort and thought into their packages for their customers. So it always has this little gold paper here with a little sticker that says GC for Gerard Cosmetics, and it is always filled with this little black packaging stuff, and it just looks so fancy and nice. So the first thing we have here is a postcard, and it says, "Wish you were here." So this postcard is all about celebrating their 4th anniversary. So today is March 14th and tomorrow is their 4-year anniversary. So I wanted to help them celebrate their 4-year anniversary. And with their 4-year anniversary, they are coming out with some new products, which are pictured here, but they're also in that box, so I'm gonna show them to you now. But I will save this for reference of details, just in case. So the first thing we have here, hey girl, hey. This is called Staycation. This is a 3-piece setting spray collection, and these are travel sized. So for these 3 mini bottles, they are $35. This set comes with rose, which I already have, cucumber, and lavender. I have not used these yet, but I sprayed them the other day to see what they smell like, and oh my gosh, they just smell amazing. They're so refreshing, they feel so good, and I'm just crazy about them, and I am in love with these mini bottles. So let's say you want to try the Slay All Day setting spray, but you're not sure if it's going to work for you, or if you're going to like it, or if it's going to irritate you, or you might not even like the smell. Instead of committing to a big bottle, I suggest trying out the mini travel sizes just to see if you even like them. And not only do they come in this 3-piece set, you can buy the mini bottles individual if you want to. So this one is lavender, This one is rose, and I just sprayed the cucumber. This set is just so cute. It would be so perfect for you, or for anyone really. You wanted to buy somebody a gift? Girl, your friends will thank you. So the next thing I have here is called the Honeymoon palette. Let me take off this outer packaging here. Their packaging is so cute. So sleek, it's black, it's got little stars on it, which I absolutely love. And this is what the palette looks like. This is the Honeymoon palette. It comes with 2 blushes and 1 bronzer. The 2 blushes are called Wifed Up First Class, and the bronzer is called Forever. Has a little mirror up here, and these colors are just so gorgeous. I have not used them yet because I did not want to ruin their beauty before I showed them to you, because I know once I start digging into them, they are not going to look as beautiful, because I'm going to destroy this blush. Actually, I'm gonna try it right now, even though I have a lot of blush on already, but you know what? I'm gonna go for this middle one. This one is First Class. Oh Lord, I love blush, but that's a lot of blush. Okay, I'm gonna have to blend that out really quick. Tone it down a little, blush. Well, as you can see, it's highly pigmented and goes on really well, and a little goes a long way, so be careful with that. So the card here says this is a dreamy blush and bronzer palette featuring the shades of summer, and this is $24. Next in the box here, we have glitter lipsticks. This is a 4-piece set, and the colors are Cupid, DM Me, Hollywood Boulevard, and Swipe Right. So this is a set of 4 glitter lipsticks, like I said. It says that glittery shades that play nice together. These are $44, and they come in the little bullet shape. So I haven't tried these yet, but I'm gonna be trying them on for you guys today, one by one, which I think is going to be fun. And here's the first shade right here. Let me put a little Cinderella lip balm on, just because I feel like my lips is a little dry. Always gotta prep them lips before you put any lip products on, ladies. Lip balm is so delish, by the way. My mom got it for me and it's berry flavored. Since my lips are like pretty pigmented, I like to go in with a little foundation or concealer just to kind of cover up that bright color of my lips, and then I can go in with a lipstick and it will show the true beauty of the lipstick without combining with my natural lip color. So this color here is called Cupid. So this is the first shade, and I personally think it is absolutely beautiful. It looks like a red, but it's not a red. It looks like a pink or like a magenta type color. It's like the perfect combination of all those colors in one. And then it's got a little glitter in it, so it kind of makes your lips look a little shimmery. Gonna go in with the next shade, which is called DM Me, and this one is a lavender, and it is so pretty. Oh, I like this lavender. I think this would look really nice if I had like a really good tan. I will be working this summer. Next shade we have here is called Hollywood Boulevard. Looks like it matches my blush really well. I'm not sure what that color is though, but it's pretty. Next shade here is called Swipe Right. Cute, cute. So that was all 4 of the glitter lipsticks that came in my package. So yeah, those are some new products that Gerard Cosmetics is coming out with to celebrate their 4-year anniversary, which I think is awesome. You can check them out on gerardcosmetics.com. They actually have a coupon code here, which mind you is not like a personalized coupon, so I don't make any money if you use that coupon, but this is a coupon from them just for their customers, and it is GC4. I'll post it down below just in case you need me to. But you can use it at gerardcosmetics.com and you will receive 30% off your purchases. So yeah, like I said, I got the Honeymoon palette, which is the 2 blushes and a bronzer, the 4-piece glitter lipsticks, and my all-time favorite, the Slay All Day setting sprays. And this is called Staycation. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Happy anniversary to you, Gerard Cosmetics, and thank you so much for all of your amazing products, especially your setting sprays and your brow bar to go. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Leave me some comments down below, give this video a thumbs up, and check out Gerard Cosmetics. I'm gonna post that coupon code down below so you can use it at checkout and get 30% off of your purchase. See you next time. Bye.